Hi everyone, I'm going to be doing a step-by-step process on how I'm setting up my new clear pocket planner. This is going to be a new playlist that I'll have on my channel, and I'll show you one item at a time as to how I'm making it to put it in my planner. So you can follow along and add the same items if you like. You know, we see so many cute planners on YouTube and on Pinterest and on Instagram, but sometimes we wonder how they get to that stage and how they get all those items in there. So I thought I would break it down step by step so that you could put your own planner together if you're just learning how. So the first thing I did is I went to Amazon and I searched for this A7 clear planner. This is the seller that I bought from, and I think this was $6.99, and I have Amazon Prime, so it was here within 2 days. They call it an A7 size, but it's not true A7. I'll show you, for example, this here is A5. So you know your A5 size planner. If you fold an A5 in half, you're going to get what's called A6. A6 is half the size of an A5. Then an A7 is half the size of an A6. So you just keep folding it in half and you go up in size. So A5, A6 is smaller, A7 is smaller. So if you hold this here, you'll see that this truly fits the rings, but A7 paper size actually isn't going to fit in here. It's going to be way too small. So this size is actually pocket size. So if you have a Rapesco punch like this one, it has that marking on it for pocket size. So let me see if I have a pocket size paper here. This one is by Peanuts Planner Co. And you'll see this goes in here. So it's just slightly bigger. This is a true A7. Pocket size is about 1/2 inch larger. And that's what fits in these rings better. So just so that you know, when you purchase, even though it says A7, I don't recommend going and buying a whole bunch of A7 things. Instead, focus on things that say pocket planner. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to customize it in order to add your own name to the cover, like I did with mine. This is a holographic vinyl sticker from Cricut, and I cut it out on my Cricut machine. Now, if you don't have a Cricut machine, but you would like this, I am going to make personalized stickers available on my Etsy store. So check out that link below, and I'll cut it out for you, but I'll show you how to get it on your planner in this tutorial. So I pretty much do everything on my iPad Pro. I don't hardly ever use my laptop anymore. And how I designed this is I went to Canva, that's the Canva app, and in the very top it scrolls over and I click on card. Because I know my measurement is only going to be 2.5 inches wide for my name. Then I click on text and I click add text. So after I did that, I just typed out my name. And then I can select the font from here. So over here, you'll see it has the font selection. This particular one is called Selena. It's a free font available on Canva. And so there's my name. So what I did after that is I upped the size on this as far as the font size to almost fill the card. From there, I click download and I say download an image, and this will download it to my iPad. And there we go. Now you can also do this on your PC. It is available in PC version for Mac as well as Windows. So you can go to canva.com and do the very same thing. So now I will make sure that this is on my iPad, save image. Okay, so now I know that's in my photos. So now we're going to switch over and we're going to open the Cricut Design Space app. Here I'm going to click New Project. I'm on the canvas and I know that I need to upload that file I just created. Hit the Upload button, select from Photo Library, and there you can select that font that you had just created. Now you'll see this one isn't very clean, but that's okay. Cricut really cleans this up very easily for you. First you'll hit this remove wand and touch the screen, and it's clearing up all that background. Then zoom in and do the same for all your centers. You'll see in your preview pane over here, it'll show you as soon as you've cleared out a section. Okay, so then I'll click Next, and this is where it really cleans it up. So you can see you can despeckle it, or you can smooth out your thing by clicking the Smooth button. You can despeckle. That may fill in some things, so you don't want to use it too much. Then you click Next, and now I'm going to only save it as a cut image because I don't need to print it. I'm cutting it straight out from the vinyl. So I'll just call it Name. And there it is, uploaded. The one on my planner right now is this one right here. And then this is the one we can try to work on right now. So now on my planner, I know I need it to be a certain length, but if you look at these numbers, this thing is at least 6 inches wide. So you're going to click Edit and see the width is 5.8. That's way too big. Make sure your little lock symbol stays on and type in 2.5, and it shrinks it down. So you can zoom in and see how it looks, but when you click on the object itself, again, you can see it's 2.5 inches wide by 0.7 tall. So that is going to fit just fine. So from here, we'll click the Make It button. And you'll notice it'll put it in this upper corner. It's not a very big file, so you'll just barely see it highlighted up there in that corner. Less than 3 inches, so I know it'll fit on my project, and I'll hit Continue. Now it's going to search for the device, so you'll need to make sure to turn your Cricut on at this point. So now that it's on, just select the device. Okay, so on this screen is where you're going to select your material. The first thing you want to do is make sure your dial on the Cricut is set to Custom. So I'll show you a picture of what that looks like. Then here I already have my favorite materials marked, but if you don't have it marked yet, click on All Materials, and specifically for this one you can type in holographic and it'll pull up the ones that are available that Cricut has in holographic iron-on, sparkle, and the premium vinyl. This is the one that I'm currently using. So I select that and you see it's ready to go. So now you'll just insert your material into the Cricut and start cutting. So now the Cricut will simply cut this out of the vinyl. You peel it off like a sticker and attach it to your front cover. If you don't own your own Cricut, but you like this blue-green vinyl or some other type of holographic vinyl that I have in stock, I'll put these on my Etsy store and I'll customize one for your planner and mail it to you. Thank you so much for watching today. If you want to see further how to decorate your own clear planner, check out the playlist, and there'll be more follow-up videos on the type of paper as well as embellishments for your clear planner. I'll see you next time.